In this video, we're going to cover user management. From the home page, go ahead and select Settings, and then go ahead and select Users. We'll find the user that we want to manage. Once we do, we'll go ahead and click on the user. And now we're presented with a detailed view of the user. So we'll go ahead and select Edit. If we need to edit any information, we can do that from the User Info tab. Users are invited to the Connect system via email. If the user didn't get the email, from here you can resend that invite. If you need to disable or enable the user, you can do that by moving the slider in the appropriate directions here. We can adjust access rights. So by default, we provide users all access. Environet Connect allows you to come in and select the specific access that you want to grant the user. So you can select by customer, by site, by group, or by device. So once you select the appropriate action, you'll be presented with a list. And then you can select, in this instance, the group that you would like to have the user access to. If we need to adjust any permissions, we can do that over on the Permissions menu. You can adjust the default permissions here, or we allow you to adjust fine-grained permissions by moving sliders, and there are two options here. There's the device permissions and the user and account permissions. So we can go through and adjust them by the sliders as we see fit. And then we could set up user notifications here, what kind of notifications they need to see. Once we're done, we'll go ahead and click Save, and the changes will take effect.